Hello, my name is Neanderthal, and I am the representative of the Neanderthal Party in this upcoming election. My first point to convince the human race to let the Neanderthals rule is normalcy. 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 Normalcy is getting back to the way things always were, or the quality of being normal, or the same. My idea is that the way we live is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. We go and take from the earth what we need. Now, the Cro-Magnon Party, they will try and revolutionize our whole lifestyle. There's nothing wrong with it. Why should we revolutionize it? So that's one of my points. The other point is that we were the originals, the Neanderthals. We were the first to come up with theology, something that's used even in the future in 2012 and much further beyond. Also, we were the first to develop fire for warmth and also for protecting ourselves from predators. The other thing we invented is tools and weapons. The axe is a perfect example of that. We use the axe for hunting and chopping down trees for wood. And finally, we created the first houses out of wood and animal skins. Another thing is that we are the superior race. We're taller, stronger, bigger, bulkier, and more powerful than all the Cro-Magnons. Also, we have much bigger brains. About 50 cubic centimeters bigger brains. Which leads us to our next point, is that if we have more time, say 1 million to 2 million more years of ruling, we can guarantee that we will lead humanity so that it will flourish and be by far the dominating species on Earth. We need more information to fill up our brains. Our brains are 1,450 cubic centimeters. The Cro-Magnons, however, are only 1,400 cubic centimeters. We have the bigger brain, so eventually we will be smarter. Finally, we are survivors. We survived through the Ice Age. We can survive through the Ice Age. We can survive through anything. Any epidemic, or natural disaster, or anything the Earth throws at us. These Cro-Magnons, they say to themselves that they're by far the superior species, and they have not been tested once. We survived through the Ice Age. It killed many of the Earth's most powerful animals, including mammoths, saber-toothed tigers, and all of those dangerous animals. That is why you should vote for Neanderthal, representing the Neanderthal Party in this upcoming election to let the Neanderthals rule the human race.